Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Well, it's pouring outside, so I thought it would be a good time to make a video and show you guys my Sew Yeah haul from the Benartex warehouse sale. I got some really awesome stuff and I can't wait to open it and show you guys what I got. So the first thing I'm going to start with that was in the top of my bag was I got a couple of yards of fossil fern. I got one yard of each color. I got two colors. And I wanted to try out fossil fern. It's been a while since I purchased fossil fern because the last time I purchased it a couple of years ago, the quality had gone down a little bit. And I'm not sure if they were having issues due to you guys know everything that went on in the world. I'm not going to say it. But it seems like just pulling out of the bag that this fabric is definitely back to the quality that you would expect from a quilt shop quality fabric. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to show you the two colors I got. They're really pretty and I can't wait to figure out what to make with them because they play really well together. So I got this beautiful green. And then I got this pink. So let me put them together. I thought that they were very nicely complemented each other. So I'll figure out something pretty to make with that because I love it. I think they're gorgeous. So that's that. And like I said, I'm really pleased because the quality is obviously back. They feel amazing. They're soft. So super excited about that. The next thing I'm excited to show you, and this is the only other thing I bought that night, but I bought a lot of it. And this was the whole reason for Sew Yeah being at the Benartex warehouse, was their new fabric line. Not Your Mama's Garden 2 is out because they had Not Your Mama's Garden 1. If you follow Sew Yeah, you guys already know that. And I loved Not Your Mama's Garden 1. I thought they did a really great job. The colors were beautiful. The prints were beautiful. But I like this even more. So I'm really excited about this. I had seen a little bit of a preview of this through my reps and everything, but I didn't purchase it because they're not a company that I usually purchase with. So I was really excited when the guys had it and I was able to get some from them, especially because it is sold out, at least through Sew Yeah Quilting. They sold every bit of everything they ordered and I'm so excited for them and so proud of them. So I will show you what I have, and it is still available at other quilt shops. So if you like Not Your Mama's Garden 2, I would run to other quilt shops and grab some before it's all gone because like I said, they sold every bit of what they had ordered out and they ordered a good percentage of the market share of the fabric for themselves for their shop and to sell to us. It's gone. So if you like it, I've seen it at a few other spots. So if you are interested in purchasing it and you want to know where those spots are, let me know in the comments down below and I'm happy to share that with you. So here is, the flowers are a little bit different this time, which I'm excited about. Here is the first piece. It's beautiful flowers on this gorgeous background. I love this color. So that's piece number one. This one's sort of like a blender. They had some similar to this in the last line, but slightly different. It looked almost like a topographic map or something, and this is similar, except this one's got more of a floral print in it as well. So that's a nice pretty blender. Here's one of their flowers that looks like succulents. This is the pink version. They have pink, green, and like a bluish purple in this print. Oh, this one is so pretty. They're all pretty. I'm going to say that all along. This blue with these gorgeous purple and pink flowers. And here's a green like swirly blender. And then this is a really nice blender. So I bought a little bit of the fabric to make a bag. And this I'm going to use for like the strapping, the handles and things. It's just a really pretty blender. And if I'm being honest, this next one is probably my least favorite just because it's kind of got a brown undertone to it. And I don't love browns, but you guys know that. But still, they could easily use this like inside a bag or somewhere else if I cut it up small enough. But that's probably the only one that I'm not in love with. And I don't dislike it. It's just not my favorite because it's got a lot of brown. And brown's not my thing, but that's okay. This one is gorgeous with a green background. It's that same print as the brown except green. And this is the same print as those two as well except blue. And here's more of those succulents. This is the succulents in green, which are just gorgeous, and I could kick myself for not getting this in a 108. They do have 108 backings. In this, it comes in the succulent print, and the succulents are a little bit larger for the 108, and it comes in the pink, this green, and a blue color. And I did get the blue, and I'll show you guys that here in a minute. But I wish I would have gotten, I got two blues. I wish I would have gotten a blue and a green, because I really like the green. I didn't expect to like the green that much, but I love it. So here's that floral again in the pink. This one is kind of a blender too. Here's another blender, and I really love this one too because I love the blue and green in this. And then here's their other little floral in green and blue. Now they put some stripes in this line, which is interesting. I don't really feel like they match, but I love a stripe binding, so I'm excited for these for that because I would totally use this for binding. The stripes look really very modern to me, whereas the rest of this is like very floral, obviously. So yeah, kind of different. I mean, the colors match, but yeah. Okay, here's another one of these with a green sort of print, or green sort of look to it. Here's the other blender in pink. These kind of look like Kaffe Fassett fabrics somewhat, but not as wild, at least for me. So that's why I think I really like them, because I was always attracted to Kaffe's fabrics for the colors, but the prints got a little crazy for me. Here's that blue in the succulents. Here's the blue floral. Oh, it's gorgeous. And I really love this one too. This is a green and purple, and I think green and purple is like the perfect color combination. So there's that. And then let me grab the 108 so you guys can see that. Now the 108, like I said, it's those succulents, but they're bigger, they're on a bigger scale. So the succulents are bigger. So there's the blue, and actually let me grab, if I can find it really quick. And you guys can see, here's the green one. The difference in size in the succulents. This green is beautiful. So they're not like huge, but they're definitely bigger than the regular yardage. Really pretty. That is gonna make a gorgeous backing for my quilts. So I'm really excited. I got a half yard of each piece. So I'm going to be able to get at least 2 quilts out of this bundle. So I'm really excited about that. I can't wait to play around with background colors and see what that looks like if you change them. A dark one versus maybe white versus gray versus blue. For Not Your Mama's Garden 1, I did a quilt and I did like a bluish sort of background, like a cobalt. That sort of kind of went with it, and I really like the way it turned out. I was debating between that and their like raspberry-ish pinkish red that they use as my background fabric. So this time I might try that one. But since I have enough to make 2 quilts, I'm thinking I'm going to try also something else, maybe white or black. So I'm really excited to make this, and it'll be a little bit before I can make anything because I've got a lot of projects going on right now. But I did want to grab the fabric as it's selling out everywhere, and so yeah, sold it out, and I always love to support them. Not only are they friends, but I feel like they're just really good people, and I like to support their shop. So that is my Sew Yeah haul. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all again really soon. Take care. Bye.